stuck in there.
Will you show me how you're demolishing that log?
Yeah. Want to take a video?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Watch this. I think I got stuck in the sink. Okay, we call this. We're gonna call this the video, the nature video. Put this on me, Photon, please.
Okay.
That was our first nature thing with Photon fans.
You want to show them the other jobs?
Yeah. Okay, the pantry. Cooking the pantry with all the snacks. Cooking the snacks. Putting the snacks back in the pantry when you're done eating. Finding sticks. But this is the hardest job. This is the hardest job.
But look how many we found.
Yeah. It's because I'm just too good at nature. That's why.
We've also been at it for a few days.
My hand? Ready?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Lumberjacks usually wear gloves.
What?
People who do this usually wear gloves.
I don't need to become the nature king. I'm the nature king, so I don't need gloves. That's how I know all about nature. I'm the nature king. Look. I just like exploded. Let's do a reset. See? Did you like that we do? I think we need to wash it. The stick. Washed it. Do you like the vlogs? Hey, May Photon fans, do you like the vlogs better or the gamer videos better? Which one do you think, Mom?
I bet they like the vlogs better.
I like the gamer videos better, but this is my favorite vlog. My favorite gamer video is when my say monster videos.
Does vlog stand for video blog?
Yes.
That's fine.
It's not even broken. Just look. It's like demolishing. Yeah, you gotta beat that. Equal.
Good idea. Wait, Lenny, why don't you say goodbye to your mini Photon fans?
No, I'm gonna bring them on the. Not yet. I'm gonna bring them on the adventure of Sushi Christmas.
Okay.
Would you say I had like a whisper like?
I don't know. I said, okay, cool. I'm going to show them the toilet from afar.
Yeah, look at that. Haunted toilets. We call that the haunted toilets. But not everyone has a haunted toilet. Only special neighborhoods. We'll probably get some good stuff from this tree. Find some good stuff. Oh, it's good.
I am. I'm right behind you. We gotta wrap it up soon though, okay?
You gotta follow me.
I tried that one earlier too.
Time comes. Time comes.
We've been making a pine cone pile and a stick pile.
Okay, I found what I needed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, by my first time friends, I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna make more nature videos in the same spot, don't worry. Also, I'm gonna go to sleep in nature right now, even though it's a sunny day. Bye.